Alright, welcome back to another trade recap, and today we are down $173.55, but we really shouldn't be down, honestly. We really shouldn't be down. Um, and I say this because the news right here, but I'll get into that later. So, overall on the week, we're up 500. I think it should be more, but, 500 is not bad at all. Yeah, let's just get right into it. My bias for today was bullish, and I was not right. At least for the actually, we're going up now, but at least for the beginning, it was very bearish. But yeah, so my first trade was a little pre-market. We dipped into this 1 hour gap right here, reswept these lows. So if we go to the 5 minute, since it's on the 1 hour, we reswept these lows that were in the gap, and then we had this 5 minute CISD. So I entered right here. As you can see, I entered right there. And on the 1 minute, it was a little crazy, but still a win. So we started going down a little bit, and then we just literally boom, TP, just in 1 minute candle. So whatever, I'll take it. I'll take those dubs, and then it obviously went back down. So that was just a dub. I didn't take any partials. It was just a straight up 1.14R trade. And then the next trade was this one, which as you can see, I entered here. And ignore these ones. These ones are accidentally. I'll get into these ones later. But I got bought 5 at 21,436.25, 21,436.25, about there. And this was after a 15-minute. This one was all right. It was, it could have been better. So this 15-minute right here, this last candle in the this last gap in the leg, got tapped. Or was it even that one? No, it wasn't even that one. No, it wasn't even that one. I think it was this 15-minute candle. I think it was this one right here. This gap right here. Oh, let me get the rectangle. I think it was this gap right here that got tapped. Yeah. Alright, so it was that gap right there that got tapped. And then a 1 minute CISD, which didn't even happen on ES. It only happened on NQ. And then just straight to stop loss. So this could have been avoided. I mean, the way this one could have been avoided is just because, like, there's just so many gaps. Like, use the last one, not just, I don't know. It could have been avoided. In the last trade, so at this point, I was up 400, then I was up like $100 something, and then these executions, I accidentally, it was literally just right here on ES, I accidentally bought on NQ, when I tried to buy it on ES, so I instantly sold. I lost probably like $50. I lost 3 points, maybe not 50, like 30 something, I don't know. I lost a little money, so I was only up like, I don't even know. How much was I up? Like $30 at this point. So I was pretty much break even on the day, and this was my last trade, which I should have ended the week this day break even, but this trade was out of the bottom gap on ES. So this trade was out of the bottom gap. We had a 1 minute. So when it hit the bottom gap, we had a 1 minute CISD right there. So I entered at 940.25. You can see 940.25. Price went up good. I moved my stop to break even when this candle came up above this body. And then news came in, as you can see, at 10 o'clock. And it wouldn't have stopped me out. Almost would have, but it came in, went all the way down past my break even because it was so like volatile. And I, instead of getting break even, so for like a plus $30 day, I lost $200 on the trade because it was just the market. I don't know what happened. It was just too fast. So now I'm down 170. So it's an unfortunate losing day. Should have been a break even day, but it's whatever. I'll be back next week. So that's pretty much it for today. Yeah, pretty bad price action. Like if you look at the 5 minute, like right here, it's terrible. So yeah, that's it for today. I guess that's it for the week too. Next week, Sunday. Well, why do I always do this? So next week, no news Monday, no news Tuesday, no news Wednesday. So no news the first 3 days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That's weird. Alright, well, next week is like basically no news. So it might be pretty choppy, but I'm still going to trade it. But yeah, that is it for today. I'll be back on Monday for another trader cap. And yeah, see ya.